Okay guys, this is now the fourth video in this series. We've gone through steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to do 6 and hopefully 7 in this video, and I'm going to show you a few little cool things of what Run Sign Up has that will make your event awesome. So to begin with, I'm going to go back to where we left off. This is going to be tab 6, and this is going to be your page. To begin with, up at the top, it's going to say upload race logo. Simple enough. If you have a race logo, this is where it's going to show up. So for example, if you check out aptiming.com calendar, the photo that you put here is going to show up right here. If you can see my mouse moving, this is where your image is going to go. And then when you click on the race, that image is also going to show up right here up at the top. So that way your race logo is always going to be shown. There's no time frame of when your race logo is going to be on the site. It is always going to be on it. So again, let's go back to Run Sign Up. And I do not have a fake logo, I should say, with this event, but I'm going to simply put a photo on it. You can do that as long as it is JPEG, PNG, and all these files that they have. And I'm just going to put a photo of Bilbo himself. If you want to put directions to the race page, which again I highly recommend, unless if it is a 5K that a lot of people know about, so keep this tab open. I want to say keep these unopened as well, because you don't want to hide when the event begins and whatnot. And this is when you can do a bunch of cool things as well, like add custom section. This is what you want to hit on. And you can do all kinds of things here. If you want to talk about the course itself, you want to put the heading as that, and you can put anything you want to describe it. You can say out and back. You can say follow such and such paint. You can describe it exactly down to the decimal point in distance. So that's one thing that you could do. I'm just going to leave that alone. You can talk about the age groups. Let's say you have a bunch of age groups that you want to tell people about. You can do a custom section age group and just list them out. 11, 20, 21, I mean, just put them out. This is how you can do that. You can add a custom section of awards that you plan on giving out. So let's say you plan on giving out top 3 male overall, top 3 female overall, and then you can say top 2 male in each age group, top 2 female in each age group. And let's say you have an image of what the trophies will look like. You can put that in this custom section that you just made. I honestly do not, but we can quickly find one just to kind of show you what it's going to look like. You want to just look up a trophy image. Let's say you have trophies that look like this. So again, you just want to go to that browse button, and you can put a picture of what that's going to look like. And another cool thing that you can do is, let's say this race has been in existence a few years, and you have a video of last year's race that you want to put up. You have a video explaining the race, explaining what the money goes to, explaining the city that it's held in. This is how you can do it. So let's say this is a 2015 event. Let's say I put this on last time, and I have a video of the 2014 event. You can put any heading that you want, just to kind of say what it says. But let's say video finish line, and then what you will want to do, let's go down here and put YouTube. I think you actually have to put some content, so I'm going to put finish line of 2014 race. And then down here at the bottom, you want to, under embed video, you want to hit YouTube. They have a few options depending on what you use, but you want to hit YouTube, and then you want to go find the video ID. Since I am currently uploading these videos as I do them, I'm going to go ahead. I do not want to listen to myself. Pause that. I'm going to go and find this video ID code. I believe it's just that. I don't know if you can see it or not. I think it's that. If not, you can Google YouTube video ID and it's going to show you what you need to copy and paste to show it. So you can copy that video ID right there, and then when you hit save and close, save and continue, all of those sections are going to be done. So let's just see what it looks like now. You want to hit, if you didn't see that, it said back to dashboard, I believe. You want to hit that, and this is when all the cool stuff I'll be talking about here in just a few minutes. But again, this is a draft race. This is not live, nothing like that. What you want to do to kind of see how it looks like now is you want to hit this tab up at the top right that says View Race Page. And what that's going to do is it's going to show you what all you've built. So up the top is going to have the race name. It's going to have the date, the location. As I said, if you have a logo of the race, it's going to be shown right here. As you can see, that is a photo of Bilbo himself. You can put images. It doesn't have to be a logo. As you can see, we have a 5K run. It has a $20 fee and a sign-up fee of $3. One of the cheapest I have found in researching. As I said, if you have separate event information, we type that in. We didn't type anything in with Walking Kids Run, but you can go back and do that if you need to. As you can see, this one has just one price range. We typed in 2 with the 5K walk, and it shows you exactly when the price increases and to how much. So as you can see, this 5K walk increases after January 31st at about midnight. And the Kids Fun Run has no sign-up fee. It tells you that it begins at 10:05, 10:15, exactly what we typed in. It tells you the location. This is the description that you did in tab 1, just any general information that you want to tell people about. And this is all those custom sections that we just added. We have the course section, we have age groups, we have awards. As you can see, there's the image that we inputted. Again, if you have an image of your trophies, plaques that you'd like people to see to kind of get them to come to the event, this is how you do that. And this is the YouTube video. That code was exactly what I needed. So if you can go back, it's going to be video. It's going to be this code between this symbol and that symbol. So if you can see that, that's the YouTube video code. It has a few options as it showed. It has like Vimeo and all kinds of things, just depending on what you use. You can Google. Always feel free to send me an email if you can't find anything. I'll do the best I can to help you out. But again, let's go back to this, and you will see the YouTube video is right there. And then lastly, it shows kind of like a map, a Google map of where exactly the race is. That is exactly the fire station in St. Albans, West Virginia. So what people can do is, if they don't know St. Albans, I had a few people come from, I believe, Dayton, Ohio this past year to do a few races in St. Albans. They could go to this page, type in directions from Dayton, Ohio, and hit update directions, and it's going to show them how to get exactly to the starting line. Pretty cool if you ask me. But that's just what we have built. Now what I'm going to do is, as you can see up in this dashboard, it has all kinds of options on the left hand side. I'm just going to kind of show you a few of the ones that I like the most. I'm going to show you how to type in those mailed applications and the Facebook fan page tab. And I think that's going to pretty much sum up this video series. So if you will just hang tight, we have maybe 1, 2, maybe 3 videos left, depending on what all I find. But again, thank you all for watching these, and I'll be back here in just a few minutes.